Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Okay, now, so Russell here with a quick tutorial on how to lock your documents on MS Word. Okay, it's very simple and easy. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is a blank document. Okay, so I would love to create or generate some random text to use as our document. Alright, so this is our document unlocked, doesn't have any passcode on it. What you're going to do to lock this is you're going to head to File, okay, and go to Info. Click on protect document. You're going to see encrypt your password over here. We're going to click on this and input our password. Okay, I'm going to input it again. And yes, our document is now locked. You're going to save this document. Yeah, let me save this on the desktop. All right. Yes, so I have my document here on the desktop. So now when you try to open this our document again, we are asked to produce the password we used to lock it. So I'm going to input the password. And yes, now we can edit and have access to our document again. So this is how to lock and protect your document using MS Word. Okay. So now when you save this document as a PDF or maybe any external format, this password will still be on it. You still need this password to be able to open it. All right. So now thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more videos. I have a whole playlist tutoring MS Word. So if you're a newbie and you need to get your head around MS Word, just head to my channel and make good use of those videos.